So let's look at the graphs first. Okay, so if we took this graph right here, okay, let's first look. If you fold this graph along the y-axis right here, fold it this way, does it map onto itself? No. So you know it's not an even function. Okay? Now, if you took this graph and you rotated it about the origin, again, the origin is the 0, 0. If you rotated this 180 degrees, would it map onto itself? So think about if I took this graph here, okay, and I rotated it here 180 degrees. Oops. So here's the rotation of 180 degrees. And I looked at this. Are those the exact same graphs? They are not, right? So here it's down here and comes up. So these are not the same. So this does not pass either of those tests. This is an example of a graph that is neither. Okay, what about this graph right here? If I fold this graph along this vertical line, does that map onto itself? It does. So that makes this an even function. Okay. And then finally the last one, if I take a vertical line at the y-axis here, does this graph map onto itself? When you fold it, no, so it's not even. But if we took this graph here and we rotated it 180 degrees, okay, are we going to get the exact same graph? Yeah, these are exactly the same. Okay, so what you have here is an odd function. Okay, so just by looking at graphs, you should be able to determine whether they're even, odd, or neither.